Hi friends, it's Miss Krista from TLC2 Green Room. So today I have a sensory activity for you for the color white. We're going to be making some clouds, and what you'll need is I have a piece of blue paper. You can pick any color you want. I have a bowl, some shaving cream, some glue, and a sponge. You don't necessarily need a sponge if you want. You can use a dish sponge, you can use a cotton ball, you can use your hands, whatever you choose, whatever you like. So first we're going to start off with putting some shaving cream into our bowl. Okay. Next we're going to add glue to our shaving cream. So you want to do like a 3/4 mixture of shaving cream to a 1/4 mixture of glue. And then you're going to stir it up. Kind of almost like a slime consistency. And your kids can even, if they don't want to do the clouds, this is even a fun sensory activity for them to play with their hands as well. So once that's all mixed up, you can get your sponge or whatever utensil you're using, dip it in, and then you're going to just make your puffy clouds. You can have your kids make them as big or as little as they want. This is a good time to go over size concepts as well with them. Pat, pat, pat. You can make one cloud really big, like this one, and then try to see if they can identify or point out which cloud is bigger and which cloud is smaller. So you can try to say, point to the big cloud or point to the small cloud, and try to review that with them. But also try to reiterate to the color that we did today, which is white, and clouds are white. And then you could also, try to go over some other skills with them. Where do we see clouds at? Clouds are up in the sky. And like I said, you don't have to do the clouds if you don't want to. This is a fun sensory activity for them just to get messy with and have them, get right on in there with their hands. They can do, just like with the orange activity, they can practice writing letters in it. You can make the letter I inside of it. However they want to do it, and this is also a fun activity to do with other children if there's other children in the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi friends, it's Miss Krista with our letter I activity for today. So today we're going to be making letter I into ice cream, an ice cream cone. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some paper, any color that you would like. I chose brown, 3 circles of 3 different ice cream flavors. I chose white, pink, and a darker color of brown. I chose white because white was our color that we reviewed today. So I did vanilla, I did chocolate because that's my favorite, and I did pink for strawberry. This part is optional if you want to do it. You can get an assortment of colors of markers or crayons to make some jimmies on your ice cream, as well as a cherry on top, and as well as a design on the cone of your eye for your ice cream, and then some glue. Alright, so first you're going to start with your ice cream scoops, so you can review shapes with your kids. What shape is the ice cream? The ice cream is in a circle. How many circles do you have? Oh, and by the way, you can do as many scoops as you want. I just happen to do 3 for this activity. And you can start with having them identify whichever color you choose first. So for example, you can say, okay, touch brown. Good job. Brown goes first, then get glue. Any glue will work too. Glue stick is just fine for this activity. And pat, pat, pat. And then you can ask for touch white, white circle, put glue. You can also work on those positional words again as to where you want them to place the white circle. So let's put white next to brown. Pat, 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 good job. Next, let's touch pink circle. Put glue on pink. And then let's put pink on top of white and brown. And pat, 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 pat. So as I said, you can also review with them that I is for ice cream. We did the color white today, and we also reviewed this week the color brown. And if you want, you can do this as optional. Like I said, you can have them pick various colors and just have them make dots for some jimmies on their ice cream if they choose to do so. And you can do it by having them either just freely do this, or you can specify a color for them to identify and have them, you know, make the jimmies that way. And you can also have them do a cherry on the top with a little stem. And then also, as I said, if you want to have them make the design depending on your child, you can have them make the designs by making some crisscross lines down the cone of the eye. We can practice doing this also. And then in addition to our ice cream craft, we have our eye worksheet. On a Google search, you can just type in eye template or eye worksheet, and these will come up, and you can practice having your children with their finger trace and follow the arrows. So down, across at the top, across at the bottom, and go over the I words. So I is for igloo, I is for insects. You can have them identify colors and color a specific picture. For example, find green and color the iguana green. You can work on cutting skills by cutting out the pictures and gluing them on the letter I. And my green room families, you can find these in your back to school packets that we've been working on throughout the year to work on with your children as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this activity, and I will see you next time. Bye!